Many people have told me that they feel a lot of strain just holding their phones, and it can happen especially in the thumb joint. And frankly, these phones are not designed for the human hand. It places a lot of strain on the hand. So I'm going to show you a couple of things that you can do so that you're not holding your phone. The first trick is get one of these little phone holders, and you can just slip the phone in that little tray. You can do it this way, you can do it that way. And it's actually easier to hold the phone holder than it is to hold the phone. But I would suggest putting it down on a desk or some flat surface so that you don't have to hold anything at all. One of the other really helpful tools is one of these gooseneck phone holders. So the phone goes in this little slot here like that. And this you can fine tune a lot of ways. You can turn it this way, you can angle it. So it's really helpful if you just don't want to hold a phone, and you can put it in one of these. Now, this is very long, so we're going to be out of frame for a minute, but you attach the little foot to the horizontal surface, such as the table or whatever it is that you're going to be attaching the gooseneck to. This is stiff. I mean, it's hard to move, so you want to adjust it very little and mainly use this highly adjustable and easy to move end where the phone goes. And that way you don't have to hold your phone, and it's really great.